Good morning, everyone. I am Usha and I am explaining about solar electric conversion. What is solar electric? Solar electric is nothing but the energy from the sun is transformed.
Yes, ma, continue.
Ma'am, you did not share screen.
I have shared screen, ma.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Solar electric is nothing but the energy from the sun is transformed into electricity through solar thermal or ocean thermal and photovoltaic or wind conversion. There are types in solar electric conversion. First, solar thermo-electromechanical conversion, which converts heat to power. First, the solar thermal is concentrated and transformed to the working fluid either by Rankine cycle or Brayton cycle turbine generator. Most of the solar thermal energy development has been oriented towards obtaining heated fluid from a solar collector or direct heating application. A more valuable form of energy has mechanical energy or electrical energy, and this is diagram of solar thermo electromechanical conversion. First, uh, the rays from the sun fall on the panel called concentrating dish, and then the rays are reflected to the central receiver of boiler and then the steam turbine, and then the turbine condenser and pump, and the cycle repeats, and then the steam turbine stores the energy and sends to AC generator and unloads the current. The device used to produce mechanical work or electricity from solar generated heat is power conservation cycle or heat engine, referred to as Rankine power cycle. Now, basic Rankine cycle. The Rankine cycle is a thermodynamic cycle which is used to produce electricity in power stations, and it is in practical approach to ideal Carnot cycle. Superheated steams is generated in and then expands in a steam turbine. The dense and recycle has feed water to the boiler. There are disadvantages and advantages in a basic Rankine cycle. First, of using water stream. If you use water stream, the mixture becomes overloaded and then the turbine blades will get crowded. Instead of water mixer, we can use organic fluid. There is an advantage of using organic fluid, like can be below 400 degrees and do not need to overload, and this is called organic Rankine cycle. The major components of simple ideal Rankine cycle, along with thermodynamic states, working fluid slotted on thermodynamic entropic coordinates. Only ideal process are depressed. The process of saturated the process of saturated liquid leaving the condenser and state has received at adiabatic reversible process, as in state 1. State 1, the pressure of saturated liquid leaving the condenser at state 1 is raised in an adiabatic reversible process, and then it pumps to state 2. In state 2, whether the where it enters the generator to constant pressure, often called preheat, then it reaches to the saturated liquid at state 2. Instead, the constant temperature and pressure until all liquid vaporized and becomes saturated vapor 3. Most added superheat vaporizing constant pressure and temperature raises S3 dash. Now state 4. Now the superheated vapor now enters ideal expression expands adiabatic reversible process to the low pressure maintained by the condenser indicated at state 4. The condenser converts the vapor leaving the turbine, the liquid by extracting heat from it. Often temperature expansion process, the vapor reaches saturation can reaches to 1, maintaining saturated liquid and saturation vapor formed in expander. Now 3 dash to 3, the superheat vapor 4 to 4 dash, the amount of moisture, heat is temperature in the photovoltaic conversion. Now we'll discuss about photovoltaic conversion, which converts light to power. Solar cells on in which the sunshine deliver current. These used to provide spacecraft. The cost is very high. Uh, the electricity is generated without uh, uh, turbines, generators, piping, cooling towers. We can produce electricity by using photovoltaic conversion. We can store the electricity in the form of battery, and the rays can be stored in the battery. The store battery are in many types. Those are domestic lighting, uh, street lighting, street lighting.
Yes, Usha.
One second. Uh, Village electrification, water pumping, desalination of salty water, railway signals, powering of remote communication repeater stations to meet electricity requirements. These are the uh, uses of these are the applications of solar electric conversion. Thank you, everyone. Ma'am.
Okay. You have done presentation good.